So electrical comparator. There may be electronic and electrical comparator in case of mechanical or mechanical optical comparator. So electrical comparator generally depend on a Wheatstone bridge circuit. We already know that. What is a Wheatstone bridge circuit? Do you know that Wheatstone bridge circuit? Hello.
Yes, sir, Johnny.
Okay, so a direct current or DC current circuit comprising 4 resistors, that is the Wheatstone bridge circuit, 2 on each arm, is balanced when the ratios of the resistance in the 2 arms are equal. Okay, so that is the basic principle of the Wheatstone bridge circuit. Okay, there is a 4 resistor and DC circuit, 2 on each arm, is balanced when the ratios of resistance in the 2 arms are equal. So that is called the balanced Wheatstone bridge circuit. Okay, the displacement of the sensing element, a plunger, result in armature connected to one of the arms of the bridge. So this is the diagram. This is the diagram. Elements of electrical comparator. This is a flexible strip, coil 1, coil 2, armature, that is the plunger. Okay, this is a displacement of the sensing element, that is a plunger. Result is the armature connected. This armature is connected to the Wheatstone bridge circuit. Okay, the armature is actually connected to the Wheatstone bridge circuit. Okay, so the it creates the imbalance in Wheatstone bridge circuit. The imbalance is registered as an output by a galvanometer. And that is that reading we can get by the galvanometer. That is a comparative reading. Okay, so we move the plunger, and in compared to the movement of the plunger, we get the reading in the galvanometer. Okay, so what is a galvanometer? Do you know what do you mean by the galvanometer?
স্যার জানতাম ফিজিক্সে ছিল এগুলো।
Yes, so what is the galvanometer? Anybody? Where we use the galvanometer, and actually this is the electrical instrument. Okay, actually works as an actuator. It actuates things. It actually it records the imbalance of Wheatstone bridge circuit. That means it records the movement of plunger. Okay, so the movement of plunger, we know the movement of plunger, how much centimeter or millimeter, and we get that electronic reading. So this is the purpose of galvanometer, actually actuating. Okay, so this is the electrical comparator. The plunger is the sensing element, the movement of which displaces an armature inside a pair of coils. Movement of the armature causes change in inductance in the 2 coils, resulting in a net change in inductance. Okay, this change causes an imbalance in the bridge circuit, resulting in an output, and the output we can note by the galvanometer. Okay, suppose the units in length, that is a linear displacement. Actually we can take reading the linear displacement. So the LVDT is a very common example of the electrical comparator. What is LVDT? A linear variable differential transformer. Okay, so this is a very common example of the electrical comparator. comparator, the working principle is based on the Wheatstone bridge circuit. So same here also, but it converts the DC circuit to the AC, AC voltage, okay, and AC current, okay. So an LVDT provides an alternating current voltage output proportional to the relative displacement of a transformer core with respect to a pair of electrical winding. Do you know the electrical winding?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, কপার ওয়্যার দিয়ে এক করা থাকে, মানে পেঁচানো থাকে।
হ্যাঁ, মানে ওয়াইন্ডিং বলে মানে হচ্ছে কয়েলিং করা থাকে আর কি, ওকে। সো যতটা কয়েলিং করা হচ্ছে, হাউ মাচ অ্যামাউন্ট ইট ক্যান কম্পেয়ার বাই দিস লিনিয়ার ভ্যারিয়েবল ডিফারেন্সিয়াল transformer, okay. Actually it measures the displacement of the transformer core. Actually it the displacement of the transformer core, okay. So what are the advantages of using LVDT? It directly converts mechanical displacement into a proportional electrical voltage. That means here the displacement of transformer core, that is a mechanical displacement, and that is totally proportional to the electrical voltage. That means we can compare the electrical voltage with that displacement. That means how much amount of the transformer core will displace, and we get the and provides good magnification. It is relatively insensitive to temperature changes. It is reusable and economical to use. So that means we can find this in very cheap price. Okay, so that it also reusable. মানে বারবার use করা যায়। But it cannot. Actually, main advantage is the it insensitive, relatively insensitive due to the temperature changes. So the temperature cannot affect the LVDT. Okay, so this is the electrical comparator. So here is the schematic diagram. Here is a schematic diagram of the LVDT, and here is a characteristic curve of an LVDT. Okay, see, here is a secondary coil 1, coil 2. In case of electrical comparator, we note that there is a two coils, coil 1 and coil 2. In previous diagram, we can see there coil 1 and coil 2, and here shortly changes the structure. Here also secondary coil 1, coil 2, and this is the primary coil, and this is the insulating form. Okay, that means non-conductive. This is the insulating form, that is the non-conductive. This is the transformer core. So when it displays the transformer core, when displaced, then it actually it transfers to the primary coil and to the secondary coil. Okay, so here the Wheatstone bridge circuit is added, and when the Wheatstone bridge circuit get the imbalance result, and we can get the result by the galvanometer, same as the other electrical comparator. Okay, so this is the LVDT. Okay, তো সবাই বুঝতে পেরেছো?